Powered Aire Inc. is located in Greenville, Pennsylvania, and specializes in manufacturing stainless steel air curtains. Today, we are going to go over how to install a door switch. To locate the switches for the air curtain, remove the intake screen. The door switch will be in a red bag marked with the label "Save for the electrician." If there is no bag, please email the air curtain serial number to parts@poweredaire.com. Depending on the unit, the location of the door switch connections could be in a panel or junction box. Panels can be mounted remotely or on the unit. The junction box is located on the unit. The door switch connection labels can be found by consulting the wiring diagram. In this case, the door switch connections can be found on a terminal strip at the bottom of the control panel. In another case, the door switch connections can be found in a junction box. Connect field wiring from the junction box to the door switch mounted on the door frame or at the bottom of the garage door. Please refer to supplied documents for your specific door switch mounting options. Please note, the door switch ensures that when the door is closed, the unit remains off, and when the door opens, the unit will turn on. If the unit is supplied with a time delay relay, when the door opens, it activates to turn on the unit. This timer allows the unit to run for a short period of time after the door has closed and the connection is once again broken. These timers work on increments of 10 seconds up to 100 seconds. To increase equipment longevity, we recommend leaving the timer at a factory setting of 30 seconds. If the unit is not running and the suspected issue is the door switch, the first step in troubleshooting is to disconnect the door switch from the equipment. Then, bypass the door switch connections by using a jumper wire. If the unit runs when connected and stops when disconnected after the timer expires, the issue is the door switch. Continuity should exist when the door is open. If there is continuity when the door is shut, the door switch should be replaced. If power does not exist at the door switch, check the fuses located inside the air curtain. To ensure the SM300 door switch is functioning properly, start by removing the terminal cover. Then, using a multimeter, check for continuity between the two terminals. Continuity should only be present when the magnet is moved away from the switch. This demonstrates the continuity test for the SM226L door switch and can be used on most powered air switches. The roller plunger switch operates differently. Once the terminal cover is removed, continuity is measured between the common and normally closed terminals. Continuity remains until the door closes, pushing the plunger and breaking the connection. Powered Aire technical support is available from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at 724-588-3305 or by emailing us at technicalsupport@poweredaire.com. Give us a call for all your air curtain needs.